What's up, YouTube? This is Bullseye8231, and today I'm going to be showing you how to deal with the shifter not making the car go into gear. This is a 2003 Toyota 4Runner. This will be for 4Runners, basically 2003 all the way to 2009 with this kind of shifter model. All of the other Toyotas are going to have the similar parts and similar ways of working. It'll just be different for how you will have to get to the part. I'm going to explain, I know all this is already a part, but I'm going to explain all of that. But basically, I got in my car yesterday and I went to put it in gear, and it was just moving, and it would move all the way back to about drive right here, and then it would stop, it would get jammed, and put it back, and up here on the actual gear, that where it's telling you what gear it's in, reverse or drive, it was not moving at all. And so the shifter was just moving free. So the shifter works with this cable right here. And so when you go to put this in gear, this cable is connected to this shifter. And when you go to put this in gear, this cable is supposed to be moving, which goes through the floor and then moves a lever on the transmission. And so when your shifter won't put your car in gear, either it's disconnected up here at the top, or it's disconnected through the floor at the actual transmission. So for my car, it was actually disconnected up here at the top. So this is the cable, and the cable runs in here and clips on. Let me go ahead and pull it back so maybe we can see. The cable clips on right there to that rod, as you can see. So it's clipped on right there. So it kept popping off because there's supposed to be an actual bushing that is rotted, that basically rotted out and broke, and no longer will the rod hold the cable. So what I ended up doing was putting it back on. It's just sitting there loosely, but I put this zip tie on here temporarily so that it would hold the cable to the right, because it's basically pushed on this way. And so this zip tie is holding the cable in place as I move through the gears, and so it's not letting it fall off. So that's just a temporary fix. Now I've actually got to get the bushing, which I actually was able to get at my local Toyota dealer. And so I'm gonna give you an in-depth video of how to actually deal with the car, but I did want to show you how to temporarily fix this issue, because sometimes that bushing breaks when you're in drive, and so then the car is stuck in drive, or the car is stuck in reverse. In my case, it was stuck in park, and so I was able to kind of just deal with it as I was parked already, instead of trying to get it out of drive and those kinds of things. But I'm going to do an in-depth video of how to actually change this bushing and how you can basically fix this so that you can get back on the road again. So thanks for watching. I'm going to put a link in the description below of how to actually fix this problem.